Pataya. Siapa?
City overlooking Cable Car and Sentosa. This is Harbourfront area where you take ferry for Indonesia. Also, this is where you start your journey for Cable Car going to Sentosa or Faber Cup, Mount Faber. Naka-video ka, Daddy? Naka-video ka. Ha? Right, Sentosa. After that, so this is Vivo City. And that is Sentosa. You see? Hey. Area. Ayan ang maganda. Kala ko din puro bike eh. Ito daw maganda. The way towards Sentosa. Pwede ba dyan? Pwede ba pumasok dyan, Dad? Pwede mag-turn right dyan? Ano, yung parang merong bungad. Tapos sa right side? Pwede dyan? There is Sentosa Island with a cable car. They're doing some renovation over this area. So we are biking at the boardwalk. Oh, malaking renovation yan ah. Ha? Ay, wow. Nagre-reclaim sila. Daddy. Nagre-reclaim sila. Na? Reclaim yun, diba? Puro rocks, oh. O, yung tinanggal nila. Kasi wala silang malagyan doon. See, that's how scarce the land is. They have to get some container that is in the water for them to put what they dig, like soil or rock. Ha? Dito? Ay, hindi. Hintayin kita dito. Dito ako. Okay. Hindi po. Teka, ipaparada ko muna to para makita yung ibang parts ng area. Nagvi-video ako eh. Nagbo-vlog ako. Vlogadag. Parang building. Yung BLDG is Vlogadag. Okay. This is River City. Then this is Harborfront area. Where you see the cable car that is connected to Harborfront Center. Okay. And then you'll see the condo there. It's what we call Reflections. And this is a very expensive condo. So then this is the bay. If you see those container ships, that is the part of Port of Singapore Authority. And then this is the cable car. You will see the one with post, then it has cable to the left and right. Then to the left is towards Sentosa. You see that? But they are doing some renovation. If you see this building with blue lines, this is the Sea Aquarium area. Okay. Then I don't know how long will they finish this part, but for sure it will be a very nice one. So come here again soon. There are a lot of new things here in Universal Studios in Sentosa. And it's my darling, si Hubby. Very hot. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Tayo dito na sa loob. Ha? Yung kay Asher o yung ulong? Tinitingnan mo yung tubig ni Asher eh.